Today we'll talk about how can you disable weekly summary notifications on your Samsung Health app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on notifications, and you come to this list here. You go down, then you come here to weekly summary here. Click in this sign or this color. The like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean weekly summary notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.